My YouTube channel, good evening. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung meron tayong si congressman na palagay ko, this is the congressman to watch. Ang galing, nakapatayo balahibo kung magsalita, ano. Kung tayo'y maka-Pilipino, pakinggan niyo tong sinasabi niya. Ito yung joint committee hearing ng Public Order and Games and Amusement na si Dan Fernandez ang chairperson ng Public Safety and si Antonio Ferrer, no, yung sa Games and Amusement. Pakinggan mo yung introductory speech niya, napakagaling. Ang galing niya nito, pero ito portion lang pala to na parang biniro siya ni Congressman Abante kung pwede siyang i-interpolate sa speech niya, no, privilege speech niya, introductory speech niya. Ito yung sinasabi niya na witty siya, witty.
Our freedom. Maraming salamat at naway gabayan tayo ng Ama na lumikha ng langit at lupa.
Mr. Chair.
Pasensya na po kayo kung masyadong mahaba yung presentation ko, but because this will be our last hearing that will be conducted by the Joint Committee Hearing of Games and Amusement and the Committee of Public Order, I have to say this piece.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, Congressman Chairman Abante.
May I interpolate on your privilege speech?
You are not allowed to interpolate the chairman. You can interpolate the reserve speakers.
Chairman.
Roger.